This is how you can update the Facebook app on the iPhone. So what we have to do is to locate the App Store like this and get inside as you would normally do. Then we need to click on the search icon in at the bottom right, and we need to look up the Facebook into the search. So click on Facebook like this and tap on the app to see what's up. And as you can see in my case, there is an update available. It's indicated by the update icon next to the logo and the title. So what I can do is simply click on it and install the latest version of the app like this. You can see that now I confirmed it. We just have to wait for it to be installed and updated, right? And now the app is going to run the latest version. You can also read it below in the what's new section. Here are all of the things which, have been added recently, like the latest update came 4 days ago, then it was like 1 week ago, 2 weeks, and so on. So it is important to keep the app up to date so you get the latest features. Keep in mind that if you want to make this happen automatically, you can go to the settings and on the main page, get to the bottom, click on apps and tap on App Store, where you can enable the automatic app updates. And it would mean that whenever there is a new update available for any of your apps, you'll get it installed automatically and you don't have to go to the App Store and manually install it. So that's something you can do. Let me know if it worked for you, just like in this video. Thanks a lot for watching, and I'll talk to you later.